Hi guys, that's that solar rocker that's running off the solar light. I'm actually time-lapsing it. That's what that flashing blue light is. But I thought I'd try and video it with my normal phone camera, just in case the time-lapse doesn't work. You might be able to make out whether the waving hand cats. There's 3 of them. Can we see my finger? Yeah, one over here, a bigger one there, and a smaller one over there. They stopped rocking a long time ago because obviously it's dark. But the solar rocker that's running off the charge stored in the solar light is going very nicely. What I'm hoping is the time-lapse camera will give us a timestamp so we can see how long it keeps rocking. Now the time-lapse camera is set to 5-second intervals, so I'm not quite sure how much of the rocking it will see, but at least we'll get a timestamp on it, as I say. In the background there's a couple of solar owls, one with white eyes and one with red eyes. Got them from Poundland quite a long time ago. And out the back there, I'll just put my hand over it, yeah. That's some Poundland solar lights, outdoor solar lights. They've been doing well. And up in the sky, it's the moon. Can we focus on that? Yeah, not bad. So, I don't know what time it is actually, but yeah. In the evening, sun's gone down, and that solar rocker is going nicely. I can hear something else rocking in the background here. Which one is it? Oh, is that just the clock ticking? Oh no. Oh, we can't see. I'm going to have to put the light on. But there's one rocking just here, which is the one that's got the supercapacitor on it that charges up during the day. Oh, sorry about the bright light, but yeah, there he is. So he's running on that supercapacitor. I thought I could hear something in the background. And then, where is he? Somewhere over there is the solar snowman that runs on a dead battery. He's only just about moving. During the day he goes faster. There's no solar panel involved. It's just the battery seems to pick up power during the day when it warms up. Anyway, I'll turn the flash off again. He is going well. Right, flash going off. Back over here again. Yeah, that's still going. Can we get an angle? Yeah, oh, there's a good angle. Right, that'll do. And then later on I'll have a look at the time lapse. If it's any good, I'll add it to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.